In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable recruiter access on Glassdoor. Job offers 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your account is set up correctly for employer and recruiter tools. First, open your browser and go to glassdoor.com. Give the page a moment to load so you're on the main homepage. Everything we need is accessible from here. No special URLs required. Now, log into your Glassdoor account. Click Sign In, choose your usual method, and authenticate. That's it. Keep this part simple. Once you're in, Glassdoor will place you on your community home. This is the standard landing page for job seekers, with your feed, saved jobs, and community posts. That's a good sign that your candidate profile is active, but to enable recruiter access, we're going to pivot into the employer side. From the homepage, take note of the profile icon at the top right. This is where you manage your personal settings and profile. For enabling recruiter access though, there's a more direct route that works consistently across pages. Scroll all the way down to the footer of the site. The footer is your reliable navigation hub for all the additional tools and portals Glassdoor offers. You'll see grouped links for various audiences and resources. This is where the employer options live. In the employer section, click Get Employer Free Account. This is the action that opens the employer portal setup and enables access to the recruiter toolkit. When prompted, use a work email that is different from the email tied to your candidate account. Keeping these separate helps prevent data from mixing between your job seeker profile and your company tools, and it often speeds up verification. If your company has a domain-based email, use that. Fill out the required fields on the employer sign-up form, confirm your email if asked, and you'll be guided into the employer dashboard. That's where recruiter access features live, including posting jobs, managing candidates, and viewing employer-specific insights. If you already have an employer account, select the sign-in option on that same page and access your existing dashboard instead of creating a new one. If the employer section isn't visible, try another Glassdoor page and scroll again, or briefly disable aggressive content blockers that might hide footer elements. And that's it. You went from the Glassdoor homepage to the employer's portal, using a separate work email to enable recruiter access cleanly and correctly.